Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to remove header and footer on product page only in Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to remove or hide header and footer only Shopify product page, then these tutorials will be very helpful for you. Here I am going to share everything very easily and quickly so that you can do it by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill. So let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store and you can see that here is the header and I am going to scroll down. Here is the footer section and I wanted to hide or remove the header and footer section only product page. So this is the one of the product page, looks here, and I wanted to remove the header and footer only product page. So how we can do it? To do this, first of all you have to go to your Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store. Then click in this three dot icon, edit code. Now open base.css file. So search base.css. Then you can see that there is a file named base.css. Okay, and scroll down. Okay, now you have to add a simple code in here. So I am going to add a simple code in here. Here is the code: body class product class header display none, and another code body class product class footer display none. Okay, then you have to click on the save. Okay, asset save. Now go to my product page and going to reload. Wow, the header has been removed or hide or invisible in the product page. So going to scroll down, looks here. In the same way, the footer also remove or hide or invisible in product page. So I hope you understand how we have done it, and I believe now you can do it by yourself watching this video. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify SEO or WordPress, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.